Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from ZozoStockWatch.com, and this is your stock watch list for Thursday, June 7th. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the news that came out in the after hours. We had some earnings tonight. We had five earnings per share revenue beat. Five closed around $81 and currently trading at $94 as the shorts are taking it on the chin here in FIVE, five below. Let's see. VKTX came out with a proposed public offering. VKTX, that stock, not too much movement to the downside as of yet. So VKTX holding up after hours on that offering. PTI came out with some news after the bell tonight, announces positive data, but it was a phase one PTI. It did pop on that news and then trapped a lot of the longs here and just imploded down to $3 on PTI. So is rallying back up off of three here. So it might be one to watch tomorrow. I'll get into that in a little bit as we put our list together. Qualcomm CEO was on Kramer this evening. Qualcomm moving up in the after hours. STRM beat by 2 cents, beat on revenue. Okta came out with earnings after the bell tonight, beat by 7 cents, beat on revenue. Okay. TA. So Okta moving up in the after hours tonight. ZS had an earnings per share beat by 6 cents, beat on revenue. ZS, recent IPO stock moving up in the after hours will be on my list for tomorrow. ZYME came out with an $85 million offering after the bell, ZYME. That stock grinding down in the after hours here. HEAR had some volume after the bell, trading up at 1823, expands its roster with Allegiance Gaming, so HEAR with some news after the bell. THO earnings per share missed, revenue beat on THO. Thor Industries, they make recreational vehicles, stock selling off in the after hours tonight. Let's see if there was any other news stand out on the night. I think that's pretty much it for the earnings that came out. REVG misses by 11 cents, misses on revenue, REVG. And so that stock selling off in the after hours. ASND announces orphan drug designation. ASND. That stock, not much reaction to that. Some earnings before they open Thursday. CONN, another retailer. HOV, a home builder. SJ Smuckers, the jelly maker. And MTN, Val Resorts, reporting earnings before the bell for Thursday. After the bell Thursday, AVGO, which is Broadcom AVGO, semiconductor name, so that'll be important for the semiconductors. HOME and Stitch Fix, ZUMZ also reporting earnings after the close tomorrow. And that news is courtesy of the Trade Exchange, built for traders by traders. Good action in the SPY today after a couple of days, Monday and Tuesday, of tight, narrow ranges. We get a broad push up in the SPY, so nice move up in the SPY today, and stock trading reflected that today. Here we are with the SPY in the after the pre-market, we actually sold off. We bounced off this 275 level actually two times. We came down, popped up a little bit, we came up to VWAP intraday here. This is a pre-post market 5-minute chart you're looking at. We came back down, retested 275. Bears thought they were going to break us down. Unfortunately, it just didn't have enough firepower to get us through that 275. Bulls jumped on that and pushed us up on the SPY. So nice move up for the SPY off that 275 level. Now we do have that 280 level next up ahead, so we'll keep an eye on that for the SPY. IWM, a nice continuation move up. IWC, the micro caps, nice move up. IBB also moving up nicely today. XBI trending higher today. Dow Jones 30. Let's see where we're at on that. Finally, back over that 25,000 level. So all systems go on the markets here. The QQQ's very strong, pushing up. What are we up? 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row on the Q's here. Names like Amazon, Facebook, holding their own, not really losing much ground here. Amazon pushing higher. Google doing very well, holding up well on that 5 EMA. Apple holding up well. Nvidia doing very well, holding that 5 EMA. Not a lot of damage in the leaders of the market, holding up very strong. So until the bears can break these down, I don't see much hope for the bears. And this while all going on with the tariff talk, Italy and also North Korea. So market climbing a wall of worry here. With the market. So very nice day for the markets. Very nice week so far. Volume did pick up a little bit today. If you notice here, we're still under my 20 SMA for the volume, but we did perk up a little bit, 62, 63 million shares. But definitely still summer trading going here in the markets. Let's go ahead and take a look at some stocks. I'll be watching AETI. Had a big pop up recently, two-stick pullback right back down to the 200 SMA. You see the big buying came in on heavy volume, low volume pullback here. So AETI, that'll be on watch tomorrow. AXON trading at $5.10 after hours tonight. So AXON will be on watch. CNET. Holding above the 10 SMA, holding above the 50, the 200. We'll see if this one has any juice in the tank here to get going on CNET. The high today was 305. Not much volume in it, 200,000 shares, but not a bad looking daily here, so we'll have that one on watch. CODX, fits and starts, shadows overhanging, but holding above this 5 EMA here on CODX. So this one will be on watch tomorrow. CRON, nice move up. 10 million shares came into CRON this day, and we have that $8 level up above. Back here we had a high of 794, so we're kind of just right at that level there on CRON. Big move up. EKSO, they have that project going on with Ford Motor Company. So a pop-up today, 1.3 million shares. EKSO will be on watch here with that news in the after hours. This one will be on watch for tomorrow. HEAR, HTBX also having a nice move. We actually day traded this one in the service today for a nice gain. HTBX, IMTE. Now this one can be very spready. Electronic gaming and multimedia. Volume about 286,000 shares. Had a nice pop here, up to about $20. Here's the intraday chart on it. Now, once again, this could be a very spready stock. So if you do trade it small, but we'll have it on watch. MLNT. Moved up today on about 500,000 shares. All right, starting to get back over the 50 SMA, just under that $8 number. So we'll have this MLNT on watch. OGEN also still trying to get over this 100 SMA. That number on the 100 SMA is at $1.77. And we got as high as $1.73. So maybe $1.75 is enough to get this one going. 1.2 million shares in OGEN. So that'll be on watch again. PTI, I had that news after the bell. It was a big push up. Then they moved it back down. Now it's recovering a little bit. So PTI might be on watch tomorrow. Seed got 1.5 million shares. Expanding volume here, the most volume in a while. Has 90 cents up ahead. So we'll have Seed on watch. STLD, possible swing trade in this name, steel name, rolled steel, trying to get up over that 51 area. STLD, 1.8 million shares, so this will be on watch for tomorrow. UNFI, I thought this one was going to do better. It had popped up and then it sold off on its conference call. So I'll keep it on watch, but not in love with it. But it did have earnings tonight. I've seen a lot of stocks looking pretty bad in the after hours on earnings, but then they give nice bounces. So we'll see if UNFI wants to do that tomorrow. VBLT, nice pop move up here, 5.9 million shares traded, came up to $3.10. So this one will be on watch tomorrow. Maybe it wants to fill this gap here on VBLT. All right, so that'll be on watch. Volume, like we said, almost 6 million shares. VKTX had this big move up, pulled back down to the 5 EMA. I think if this one can get back over, say, 925 or so, you might get a continuation move up, but I'll wait for the intraday setup on that. ZS had earnings after the bell tonight. Big move up here. Around that, popped up to about 35.50, so that would put us right about here. All right, closed at $30. So it's had quite a move up here, recent IPO. We'll see if this maybe pulls back, gives us an intraday setup on ZS after that good earnings report and big move in the after hours tonight. All right, that's the watch list for Thursday the 7th. This is Mike at ZozoStockWatch.com. I'm running a free chat room tomorrow if you want to come and kick the tires and check us out. The link will be provided in the description box in this video. So if you'd like to come and check out the room, you can do so just by clicking on that link for Thursday. This will be the last week tomorrow will be the last day this week for the free trading, and then we'll be doing a free trading room in the 4th week of June. So if you want to come by and stop by tomorrow, you can do so, and then you can use that link for the last week of June. The room will be open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of the last week of June. All right, everybody, have a great night. This is Mike, ZozoStockWatch.com. Thank you for the support of the videos. Thanks for watching the videos, and also thanks for clicking that like button. Greatly appreciated, and have a great evening. Good trading tomorrow.